Namaste and good evening. It's me, Chudamani Subedi. Today I am presenting my action research plan on enhancing creative writing skill through STEM-based learning. Enhancing graded students' creative writing skills through STEM-based learning is the topic. Why is this problem suitable for action research? Practitioner own problem. As an English teacher, I see this problem in my classroom every day. I am in a position where I do not only understand it closely, but also have the responsibility and opportunity to improve it. Bonds 2010 Action research is done by practitioners, not on them. The researcher is the teacher themselves. Locally specific and contextual, the poor quality of creative writing is specific to this context, where students come from diverse linguistic, cultural, and environmental backgrounds, including many from different parts of Nepal and rural areas. Kemis and McTaggart 2000 Action Research addresses problems embedded in specific social and educational context improvable through cycles. Each 2 week STEM writing cycle can be adjusted based on students' responses. The iterative plan, act, observe, reflect process fits naturally within the classroom schedule. Stringer 2014 Action Research Cyclic Structure enables continuous evidence-based refinement of practice. Key characteristics of action research. Participatory. Both I, as the teacher and researcher, and my graded students are active participants in the classroom. Students engage as co-learners through STEM writing tasks rather than simply being treated as research subjects. Contextual. This study is set exclusively in my classroom. The findings are specific to this context and are relevant to government schools in Nepal rather than making universal claims. Cyclical plan, act, observe, and reflect. Problem focused. It directly addresses the identified gap graded students disengagement from creative writing due to a lack of real world STEM connections. Collaborative. English, science, and mathematics teachers collaborate to design and implement the project. Students then work in groups to write based on real life context. Reflective. I maintain a reflective journal and students write exit slips after each class. Both serve as data sources as well as tools for professional growth. Purposes of the research. General purposes are improve teaching practice through systematic evidence-based inquiry, bridge the gap between educational theory and real classroom reality, empower teachers as researchers of their own professional practice, produce situated knowledge relevant to specific local context, promote democratic and collaborative classroom-based inquiry. Now the specific purposes. The most specific purposes is enhance graded students' creative writing quality using authentic STEM-based writing tasks. Integrate STEM context into English writing lessons. Build collaborative writing communities among students from diverse backgrounds. Develop my professional growth as a reflective English teacher and researcher. Significance of the study. For students, develop creative writing skills. Connect English skill to their local context. Experience STEM is personally meaningful, not abstract. Build 21st century literacy and critical thinking skills. For teachers, grow as a reflective teacher and researcher to develop a model for integrating STEM with English that can be replicated in similar context. Move beyond textbook. Inspire other teachers to conduct action research for policy and research to contribute evidence supporting curriculum reform initiatives of CDC Nepal to add local Nepali voice to global STEM literacy discourse for community and school. Strengthens school identity by linking the curriculum with local knowledge and context. Promotes real world relevance by connecting learning to community development and serving as a model for other schools. Steps in action research. Chemist and McTaggart cycle. Plan. Identify and design. Observe and document the creative writing problem in grade 8. Review literature on STEM based writing pedagogy. Act. Implement intervention. Integrate students' own local experience as writing content. Collaborate with science, art, and math teachers for STEM links. Observe. Collect data, collect student writing portfolios, maintain teacher reflective journal, reflect, analyze writing portfolios using analytic rubric, compare across cycles, review student exit slips for lesson level formative patterns. Thank you, Chudamani Subedi.